If you are trying to lose fat but your breakfast looks like plain oats, toast, khari, poha with chai or coffee, that's exactly why you get hungry in an hour, because your usual breakfast that you are having is high in carbohydrate and low in protein. So today I'm going to show you 3 my most favorite overnight oat recipe that is only going to take less than 5 minutes to prepare it. So tomorrow in the morning your breakfast is already going to be ready to eat. Today I'm making 3 different flavors of high protein overnight oats. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button. If your mornings are busy, you have no time to cook, and if you still want to hit your protein intake and still want your fat loss results, then this overnight oat recipe is going to be simple and easy and most practical breakfast option. One mistake I often see that you just eat plain oats either with milk or with water, and I'm not saying that is bad, but that meal is incomplete meal. It is not a balanced meal. उसमें सिर्फ carbohydrates है that is coming from oats and milk, little bit of negligible amount of protein and little bit of fiber. So that is not going to help you build a complete healthy breakfast that you need for fat loss, to manage PCOS, to control your blood sugar levels, and also कि आपकी energy levels पूरे दिन stable रहे. For most women trying to lose fat, manage PCOS, struggling with hormonal imbalances, you need at least 25 to 30 gram of protein in your breakfast. So if you make these 3 recipes, your next 3-day breakfast is going to get sorted. And if you don't know how much protein do you actually need based on your current body weight and your goal, then check this video and calculate your protein intake. So simply by adding 25 to 30 gram of protein in your breakfast is going to make a big difference in your energy levels, in your hunger levels, and most importantly, your evening craving. Because when you start your day with 25 to 30 gram of protein, well-balanced breakfast, your cravings are going to reduce slowly. Alright, let me show you how I make this high protein overnight oats. So first I'm making blueberry protein oats. Let's check out the recipe. Alright, let's make cheesecake protein oats now. Let's check out the recipe. So now, final third one, chocolate protein overnight oats. Let's check out the recipe. So this simple, easy and quick high protein overnight oat recipe, it is only going to take less than 5 minutes for each recipe. So you can prepare it overnight. मतलब अगर आपको Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday के लिए बनाना है, you can prep it on Sunday and you are sorted for next 3 days. Keep the base same. You can see I have taken mostly the same base: oats, almond milk, fat-free Greek yogurt, and protein powder of your choice. If you also like raspberries, blackberries, banana, mango, you can definitely add those. And for fat sources, if some days you want to add flax seeds, sunflower seeds, you can also add that. So when you keep the base same and shuffle little bit of toppings, that is going to make your breakfast more interesting and different flavors आएंगे उससे, and आपको boring नहीं होगा खाने के लिए. It is still going to support your fat loss and also going to keep your blood sugar levels stable. That's what we want. Whenever you are making high protein overnight oats, you have two options. You can either use rolled oats जैसा मैंने use किए हुए, that is going to help you stay full for a long period of time, or you can also use quick oats unflavored जो आता है, but that is little bit more process compared to roll oats. But with my experience and based on my taste preference, whenever I'm making warm oats, मतलब अगर मेरे को instantly खाना है तो माइक्रोवेव में या गैस पे कुक करने, so at that time I use quick oats because वो quickly cook हो जाता है and it gets little bit mashy, so वो गर्म oats खाने में अच्छे लगते हैं. But whenever you are having like overnight oats, I personally prefer having rolled oats because that's easily gets soaked overnight and it just tastes better. But again, it's up to you. आपको दोनों में से जो यूज करना है वो आप कर सकते हैं. If you are busy working woman who wants simple meals, easy to make, that can support your fat loss, hormones and energy, and meals like this are going to make your fat loss journey much more easier and you will be able to stick to your goals consistent for a longer period of time. If you found this video valuable, just make sure you like and subscribe my channel because I post videos like this for you every single week. And if you found this video valuable, then this is for you. If you are a busy Indian woman living abroad, US, Canada, UK, Australia, trying to lose fat, manage PCOS and get in the best shape of your life while managing work, home, responsibilities and career, and of course everything else in your life, then this is exactly who I have built this program for. It's designed to be simple, structured and sustainable so you can stay consistent without overthinking. So if you are serious about results, click the link in the description and join now. I will see you inside. Alright, this is your coach JB signing off. Until next time, over and out.